Hi second graders, I thought I'd pop on and make a quick video for 14-4, try, check, and revise. So I'm going to skip the front and go right into the nitty gritty like we usually do on these. So this lesson is kind of fun. I like these kinds of lessons, but I know some of you are going to roll your eyes and sigh and hate it. But what you need to do on these is sometimes you have to do some extra work. It might take a few tries before you get the answer that you're looking for. So let's look at the example at the top. So first we read and understand. Leah paid 93 cents for 2 kinds of bread. Which 2 kinds did she buy? So then we look at the kinds of bread she has, and we need to kind of think, well, we need to make 93, so we're probably not going to pick 2 low amounts. You're probably going to pick 2 of these higher amounts and then a low amount or something like that. So she chose 2 kinds of bread and added their prices together. Did she get 93 cents? Nope. So she needs to try again. So then she decides that she's going to try the pita and the loaf, and she added those and she got 93. So process of elimination, you just need to find the right answer. Sometimes you'll get it on the first try, sometimes you won't. And listen, don't erase your work. I want to see your work. I want to see your thought process, what you did here, okay? So number 1, there's another example here. He's trying to find, he had 99 cents and he got 20 cents back in change. So what 2 kinds did he buy? So on this one, you need to think about 99 cents. If you take away 20, he's only going to find bread that makes 79 cents. So you have to factor that in. So some of these are 2-step problems. Number 2 says, Maria paid 71 cents for 2 kinds of bread. Which 2 kinds did she buy? So Maria's not getting any change back. She's straight up spending 71 cents. So I'm going to look here. I know in my head that 3 and 7 make a 10. So in my ones place, I need a 1. So that's not going to work. And then, so you can kind of think about that too. If I chose these 2, 7 and 8 make 15. That's not going to work. 8 and 6 make 14. That's not going to work. So then I go back to the top. I already tried these 2. So what if I try these 2? 3 and 8 make 11. That might work. So I'm going to write down, don't forget your cent signs. A lot of you are sending math to me without cent signs on it. It's money. 3 plus 8 is 11. Regroup. 1, 2, 3, and 4 makes 7. I found my answer. So she bought the roll and the bagel. So you write that, roll and bagel. Do you understand? What's another way you could solve exercise 1? Explain. So this kind of goes back to what I just told you guys. I could do 99 cents minus 20 cents because the change they're going to get, and know that your answer needs to be 75 cents. So I know, sorry, it's hard to write and hold the phone here. My two, yikes, breads cost 79 cents. All right. Over here. So children bought some items at the museum shop. They must have went on a field trip or something. They went to a museum. What did they buy? Try, check, and revise. So once you try it and you check your answer and you didn't get what you needed to get, you revise it. You try again. If you need to, you might get out in the first shot because you might think in your head, you might kind of know, and then just try that one. Ida paid 75 cents for 2 items and got 19 cents in change. What items did she buy? So I want to know right offhand. I don't want to mess with that 19 cents. I'm going to get rid of it. I know she's getting that back. So I'm going to subtract that out right away. 5 minus 9. Can't do it. Big boy's on the bottom. Boy, you better regroup. 7 turns into 6. 5 turns into 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So I know the 2 items that she buys need to equal 56 cents. Do you see when you look at these prices, the ones place, if you're just focusing on the ones place, do you see 2 numbers that make 6? I'll give you a second. Okay, maybe you found it by now. I found two numbers that make 6 right off the bat. 5 and 1 make 6, so I'm going to try those. 25 plus 31. 25, 31, the keychain, the magnet. 5 and 1 is 6. 2 and 3 is 5. Look at there. That's what I needed to get. So she bought the keychain and the magnet. It's pretty cheap for a museum gift shop. Usually things like that are $5 each. All right, Robbie paid 74 cents for 2 gifts. What did he buy? So he's not getting any change back. He needs to straight up spend 74 cents. So a bigger amount. So we're probably looking for at least one higher ticket item. So if I look at my 1 spots again, do I have anything that makes a 4? Well, I don't see anything that makes a 4 because I know 2 and 5 make 7, 2 and 1 make 3, 2 and 9 make 11, 5 and 1 make 6, 5 and 9 make 14. But look at, oh, wait, what did I just say? 5 and 9 make 14, and I need a 4 in the 1 spot. I'm going to try those two. So the keychain in the book. 25 cents. 49 cents. 5 and 9 make 14. Regroup. 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness. Yay. So he bought the keychain in the book. Once again, very cheap items. Ellen has 70 cents. She buys 2 items from the museum shop and gets an even amount in change. Which 2 items did she buy? Show your work. Ooh, okay, so this is a little more tricky. We don't know how much change she's getting back, but I know the 2 things I'm buying, like here's the thing with even numbers. An even plus an even are always going to make an even number, and an even minus an even are always going to make an even. Like 8 plus 2 makes 10. Those are all even numbers. 8 minus 2 equals 6. All even numbers. So I know 70 cents is an even number. So whatever 2 things I add together have to also be an even number to get an even number of change. So I cannot buy the postcard and the keychain because 2 and 5 is 7. That's not a number. I cannot buy the postcard in the magnet because 2 and 1 is 3. That's an odd number. I cannot buy the postcard in the book because 2 plus 9 is 11. That's an odd number. So I'm not going to do anything with the postcard. Done with that. I've tried everything I can. Keychain and magnet. 5 and 1 makes 6. So that could be my answer. But also look at 5 and 9 make 14. That's also even. But if you remember, we used those on our last problem and they were 74 cents. If I spend 74 cents, will I get change back from 70? No, it's higher, so I can't use it. So I'm going to go with the 25 and the 31. I'm going to add those together. And this is 56. And then when I show my subtracting, can't do 0 minus 6 because big boy's on the bottom. I'm going to regroup. 10 minus 6 is 4. 6 minus 5 is 1. 14 cents is an even amount of money. So I know I have my right answer. It's the keychain and the magnet. And we already did the keychain and the magnet. That's funny. Now, if I look at this next one, if I would have bought the magnet in the book, it also would have been an even amount of money. But look at, when I add 31 and 49, it makes 80 cents. It's too high. I couldn't have bought that anyway. Okay, so let's go to the back. Rick spent 95 cents for 2 glue bottles and some craft sticks. How much did the craft sticks cost? So I know the glue is 40 cents. And I know this glue is 40 cents. So I'm going to add 40 and 40 is 80. So then I have to subtract that because he spent 95 cents in all. And this makes 15 cents. So the craft sticks cost 15 cents. How do you know? Explain. So I added the glues to get 80 cents and subtracted that from 95 cents. I hope you guys aren't judging my handwriting too much. I'm writing horribly on these. I really apologize. All right. Meg spent 69 cents for 2 art supplies. Which art supplies did she buy? So 69 cents, a 9 in the ones place, 4 and 7 make 11. It's not those two. 4 and 5 make 9. Ooh, maybe it's those two. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to write on this piece of paper here. 24 cents plus 45. 4 and 5 is 9. 2 and 4 is 6. Oh, there we go. So she bought the brush and the marker, which is B. Describe how you solved exercise 7. Well, what did I do? What did I add first? I added the ones. Hopefully you all said. I added the ones to see which 2 items made 9 cents. When I found those, I put a period there. I added the 10s to see if I got 69 cents. So pretty easy. This is a fun lesson. I really like this lesson. Maybe you didn't, but I like these kinds of lessons. I think they make your brain work and they make you think and use all the skills that we've been learning so far in school. So hopefully you will do awesome on the worksheet and have mom or dad send me your work when you're done. I correct it. I'll give you feedback. I know some of you had to fix a few things, nothing major. So you guys are doing really well learning at home. I'm so proud of you. I miss you. I hate that we have to spend more time away from each other. I know why we have to, though. It's for our safety and our health of our loved ones and everyone. But I hate it. I just hate it. I miss you guys so much. All right. Have a great day. Please take a video of you guys reading a book or telling jokes or showing something fun you did over break. Send us some love, and I'll post it on our YouTube page for all of our classmates to see. See you later. Bye.